Looking for the best running shoes for men? To suit your needs? In this video, we're diving into some of the top options available right now. Before we begin, don't forget to check out the links in the description to find the best deals within your budget. Let's get Number 5. OnCloud Surfer is known for its amazing comfort and smart design, making it a great choice for runners who want a cushion yet responsive feel. The shoe features the CloudTech Phase midsole, which gives a soft, springy feeling by compressing and bouncing back with each step. This technology absorbs impact while helping you maintain energy, making your run feel smooth and efficient. The upper part of the shoe is made with engineered mesh, which keeps your feet cool and provides a snug yet comfortable fit for long runs. Without the usual speedboard, the OnCloud Surfer is more flexible, yet it still offers great support and stays lightweight. The rocker-shaped midsole also helps you roll smoothly through each step, making your stride more natural. With a durable rubber outsole and strong midsole, this shoe is built to last and handle a lot of miles. Thanks to its balance of cushioning, responsiveness, and durability, the OnCloud Surfer is perfect for daily training or tempo runs. Number 4. Adidas Supernova Rise. The Supernova Rise stands out for its exceptional comfort, making it a reliable choice for daily running. Its Dream Strike Plus midsole, crafted from PEBA-based foam, provides a cushion yet moderately bouncy ride, especially in the heel. While the rockered forefoot design promotes smooth forward motion, the support rod system, a softer alternative to traditional carbon rods, enhances stability and creates a natural controlled transition throughout the gait cycle. The engineered mesh upper ensures breathability and a snug fit, complemented by the comfort heel fit, which combines soft cushioning and secure support around the ankle. The durable Adiwear outsole offers reliable grip and longevity across various surfaces. While not the lightest shoe available, it strikes a balance between comfort and performance, excelling at easy paces, but capable of handling some up-tempo efforts. With its high-quality materials and thoughtful design, this model is built for both durability and comfort. Number 3. Hoka One Clifton 9. The Clifton 9 excels with its exceptional cushioning, courtesy of a revamped compression-molded EVA midsole that is both softer and lighter than its predecessor. This foam provides a plush yet responsive feel, making it ideal for daily runs and recovery sessions. The shoe incorporates Hoka's signature Meta rocker design, which promotes smooth transitions and a natural forward motion during strides. Despite its maximalist cushioning, the Clifton 9 remains surprisingly lightweight, enhancing its versatility for various running paces. The upper is constructed from breathable recycled mesh material, offering a secure yet comfortable fit. Updates to the ankle collar and tongue improve heel lockdown without adding bulk. The outsole features added abrasion-resistant rubber, improving durability while maintaining flexibility with a 5mm drop and increased stack height. The Clifton 9 balances softness and energy return effectively. Number 2. AS6 Gel Cumulus 25. This is our runner-up pick and stands out for its exceptional comfort, making it a reliable choice for daily training and long-distance runs. Featuring AS6 updated Flight Foam Blast Plus midsole and pure gel technology, this shoe delivers a soft, cushioned ride with excellent shock absorption. The midsole is thicker than previous iterations, providing a plush underfoot feel while maintaining a lightweight design. This combination ensures smooth transitions and reduces joint impact, making it ideal for easy runs and recovery sessions. The engineered mesh upper enhances breathability and adapts to foot movement, offering a secure yet flexible fit. The semi-gusseted tongue and padded heel collar contribute to a snug feel without causing irritation or slippage. Stability is another strong point thanks to its wide base and well-designed outsole. High abrasion rubber in key areas ensures durability, while exposed foam adds flexibility without compromising longevity. While the shoe excels on roads and light trails, its grip on wet or smooth surfaces could be improved. It's not designed for speed work, but shines as an all-around trainer for neutral runners seeking comfort over propulsion. Number 1. Sakin Ride 17. These are the best running shoes you can buy on the market and impresses with its updated Power Run Plus midsole, delivering a softer, more responsive ride. Compared to its predecessors, this foam strikes a balance between cushioning and bounce, making it versatile for both easy runs and up-tempo efforts. The shoe feels stable despite its neutral classification thanks to a wider midsole base and increased torsional rigidity. These features ensure a secure ride without compromising comfort. The engineered mesh upper is lightweight and breathable with perforated side panels enhancing airflow. While the fit is generally true to size, the midfoot might require extra cinching for optimal lockdown. The gusseted tongue stays in place well, though it lacks a loop to prevent minor sliding. Heel lockdown is excellent, adding to the shoe's overall secure fit. Durability is another standout feature. The thick rubber outsole provides excellent protection against wear, though it can feel slightly firm on impact. The Power Run Plus foam resists compression over time, maintaining its plush feel for longer distances. Additionally, the thick insole adds an extra layer of cushioning directly underfoot. With its modernized ride and durability, the Ride 17 excels as a reliable daily trainer. Its balance of comfort, stability, and responsiveness makes it suitable for a variety of runs from recovery jog to moderate speed work. So, that sums up my top 5 running shoes. I hope you enjoyed. Remember, you can find prices of the products in the description and comments, so make sure you check those out.